Hey, Margot. Hey, Margot. What are you trying to do, Margot? Well, you're trying to break through, huh? What? What you gonna play with? The bone? The ball? Can't make up your mind. Too many toys in there, huh? There you go. Got that little rope. There you go. Oh, did she drop the rope? Yep, she dropped the rope, and what's she going for? Tigger. Look at this pesky cat. Really? Cat just jumped on my shoulder. Hey, Margot. Oh, good. You got that ball. Excellent. Those glow-in-the-dark rubber balls lasted 5 years so far. And that's with the adult dogs. Margot, turn over this way. Margot. There you go. There you go. Yeah, show them how to play. There you go. You can get that ball on our product page. Just click on the link in the description. You can't get Margot. She's adopted already.